If you're renting an apartment in 2026, there's a very high chance you've heard people talking about the Bilt Credit Card, because honestly, this card completely changed the conversation around paying rent with credit cards. For years, most people earned absolutely nothing from their biggest monthly expense, their rent. But Bilt became famous for letting renters earn rewards, points on rent payments, and honestly, that's why this card exploded online, especially on TikTok, YouTube, and Reddit. So in this video, we're talking about the real truth behind the Bilt credit card in 2026, the pros, the cons, what users are saying, and whether this card is actually worth getting right now. First, what is the Bilt card? The Bilt MasterCard originally became popular because it allowed users to earn points on rent payments without paying the normal transaction fees most credit cards charge, and honestly, that was a huge deal for renters, especially people spending thousands of dollars yearly on rent. Now another reason people liked the card: no annual fee, at least originally, and the reward structure looked surprisingly competitive for a renter-focused card, including points for dining, travel, and everyday purchases. Now let's talk about the big reason people loved Bilt originally: rent rewards, because honestly, this was the feature that made the card unique. A lot of renters felt like they were finally earning something valuable from their largest monthly expense, and many users used those points for travel, hotel stays, airline transfers, and rewards redemptions. Now let's talk about the biggest controversy in 2026, because honestly, this is where online opinions became very divided. Bilt introduced major changes to the rewards system and newer card tiers, and many longtime users became frustrated. Especially on Reddit, a lot of people complained the newer system became far more complicated than before. Some users even said, "The free ride is over," because earning full rent rewards now often requires additional spending activity on the card. And honestly, this is the biggest criticism surrounding Bilt right now. Many users say the original system felt simple and renter-focused, while the newer system feels more premium and more complicated. Now, another thing. People complain about confusing reward mechanics. Some users online say the updated reward structure feels unnecessarily difficult to understand, especially compared to the original version, and honestly, a lot of renters preferred the simplicity of pay, rent, earn points, done. Now, let's talk about the positives. Because despite the backlash, many users still genuinely like Bilt, especially for travel, transfer, partners, rent-focused rewards, and no foreign transaction fees. And honestly, the transfer partners are still one of the strongest parts of the ecosystem. Now, another thing people mention, the app experience. A lot of users say the Bilt app feels modern, clean, and easy to navigate overall, especially compared to older banking apps. Now, let's talk about who this card is probably best for, because honestly, Bilt makes the most sense for people who pay high rent, travel, often understand points systems, and actually use the rewards strategically, especially renters wanting airline or hotel transfer points. Now, another important thing, some users feel the newer premium tiers and annual fee options moved the platform away from average renters. And honestly, that criticism shows up constantly online right now, especially from people who originally loved how simple the old version felt. Now let's be honest for a second. The Bilt card is still one of the most unique credit card concepts available today, because earning rewards on rent is genuinely valuable. But honestly, the newer 2026 system seems much more complicated than the original version that made people fall in love with the card in the first place. So if you are somebody who enjoys maximizing rewards, travel points, and understanding credit card systems, you may still love Bilt. But if you want something super, simple and straightforward, the newer setup may honestly feel frustrating. So to wrap this up, the Bilt Credit Card can still be a strong option for renters in 2026, especially people wanting travel, rewards, rent points, and a modern rewards ecosystem. But honestly, you should carefully understand the new reward structure, spending requirements, and how the updated system actually works before applying. Because while some users still swear by Bilt, others feel the newer version lost the simplicity that originally made the card special.